Hi there, these are the all-new OnePlus Nord Buds 4 Pro, and we see some incredible upgrades here. Firstly, a bigger driver for that extra clarity and deep bass. Then we also have better ANC this time, bigger battery which means longer music playback. We have an all-new swipe gesture to quickly adjust the volume. Trust me, it's so handy. Now I've been using the Nord Buds 4 Pro for over a week now. Let me share everything in detail so you can ultimately decide if you should buy them or not. Let's start with a quick unboxing. So here is the retail packaging. You can see the image of the earbuds right here. OnePlus Nord Buds 4 Pro, and this time they come with high-res LHDC codec support. On the back you can see some manufacturing details as well, and this is the raven black color. So without further ado, let's quickly open it up. So right on the top are the earbuds themselves. Then we have the Nord smiley blue sticker. We have the paperwork that I believe no one reads. Then we have two extra pair of ear tips of different sizes. And finally the much loved red USB-A to USB-C charging cable. It's small, but it's always handy. Alright, let's have a closer look at it. And there you go. So right on the top you can see the OnePlus logo right here. Looks really nice. This is the raven black color. Soft matte finish, doesn't attract any fingerprint or smudges. Also I must say, feels very premium in the hand. Now it's also really compact. It's 11% smaller than its predecessor, which is really good, and it still weighs just 43 grams. So well done OnePlus about that. Great engineering feat here. Also, if you look at the bottom here, you can spot the USB-C port to charge it. And let's open the lid. Yes, you can open the lid with one hand. Hinge is really nice and solid. You can also spot the LED light here. Very well built, I would say. Let's quickly check out the earbuds closely. And here are the earbuds themselves. So as you can see, they come with the buds and stem design, matte black finish, feels really nice and premium. If you look closely, you can also spot a couple of microphones of them, which are going to assist you for noise cancellation and phone calls. Each earbud weighs just 4.4 grams. Yes, that's really light. Should be comfortable to be worn for long hours. Very well built, I would say. The Nord Buds 4 Pro comes with IP55 rating, so you can wear it at the gym, you can wear it for a run, and even in light rain. But remember, the case doesn't come with any water protection, so keep that dry and safe. It also comes with the all-new Bluetooth 6, which is a huge upgrade. Now get longer battery life and more stable connectivity. When it comes to codec support, we get SPC and AC codec support, plus we even get high-res LHDC 5.0 codec. Now this can transmit music at bitrate up to 1 Mbps. Don't worry, if you don't understand all that, just know that you'll be hearing the best version of your favorite music. Then Google Fast Pairing is available. Simply open the lid and you'll see a pairing pop up on your Android phone. Click to pair. Once done, download the Hey Melody app on your phone and the Buds 4 Pro should show up here. Now it's ready to use. Now if you're an iPhone user, don't worry, you can pair these earbuds the traditional way, and you also have the Hey Melody companion app for iOS. All sorted. Alright, let's talk about the fit and comfort. Well, as you can see, I'm currently wearing both and they snug in pretty nicely, blocking most of the passive sound. However, make sure to attach the right size of ear tips for better seal, which eventually leads to better sound quality and noise cancellation. In fact, just to double check, run the fit test from the app. It will analyze the fit by running some music and give you the results. There you go, perfect fit. Alright, time for the head shake test. I mean, chakkar aa jayenge, but clearly these earbuds are not going to fall off. They get a really good grip in your ear. Alright, let's talk about the real deal, the sound quality. Now, before we go there, you need to know that they come with 12mm dynamic drivers, which produces jaw-dropping bass and excellent clarity. Now remember, the sound experience would drastically depend on the sound profile you choose from the app. Let's talk about while playing in the balanced mode. Now that's kind of self-explanatory. It's very well balanced, great clarity, good highs, and excellent deep bass. Personally, my favorite profile. It tunes the audio brilliantly, where the instruments and the thumb can be felt really well. In serenade mode, the bass is reduced and the vocals and instruments are enhanced. It's ideal when you're listening to classical music and podcasts. Then bass mode, it's obviously where the bass becomes much more heavier. Now you can feel the punch even harder. The best part, there's no distortion even at high volume. Superbly tuned. Bass fans, this one is for you. In fact, you can even boost the bass further by enabling bass wave, which gives you even deeper thumb. Adjust the intensity as well as per your preference. And finally, you can custom set the equalizer as well. Then we also have spatial audio, which you can toggle on from the app. It creates that surround sound effect where you feel that the music is coming from different directions. It's fun initially, but not something you can use all the time. But there's something interesting when you turn on game mode. So now you have spatial effect for shooting games. So if you're playing BGMI or COD, you can actually hear the footsteps and gunshots from different directions. This truly elevates your gaming experience. Alright, let's talk about ANC. So we see an upgrade here as well. You get 55 decibel ANC, which was 49 decibels on the 3 Pro. You can toggle it on from the app. By default, it's set to high, but you can custom set it to moderate, low. But my suggestion is set it to auto, where it auto adjusts the level of ANC according to the place. Like right now, it's set to low. This is called adaptive ANC. We briefly tested it on a noisy street and it did an excellent job at cancelling out almost 90% of the sound around you. Enjoy clear audio with no disturbance from the outside world. Easily recommended to be worn on a flight as well. You can also enable transparency mode from the app, and now this is where you are more aware of your surroundings. It's kind of really helpful because now you can talk to the other person without actually removing your earbuds. Works really well. Alright, we also tested these for phone calls. Time for a quick demo. So the audio you're hearing right now is being recorded from the mics of the OnePlus Buds Nord 4 Pro. And this is how you would sound to the other person when on a phone call. Now they also come with 6 microphones, 3 on each, which helps cancel out all the wind and the external sound. And this is why we have stepped outside so you can actually have an experience of how it sounds when you use it outdoors. Also, you are the best judge. Write down in the comments and share your feedback with us. So we get the usual tap gestures to change tracks, toggle ANC, transparency mode, answer reject calls, and the best part is you can custom set each gesture of each earbud separately as per your preference. One of its best features is the swipe gesture on the stem of the earbuds to adjust the volume, which personally I find very handy. You don't need to get to the phone to adjust the volume anymore. Good job OnePlus. By the way, these also come with in-ear detection, so music pauses the moment you remove them from your ear and resumes instantly when you put them back. If you want to, you can disable this feature from the settings if you don't find it convenient. Then we also get dual device connectivity support. So here you can see I've connected 2 phones at the same time. Further, you can even have a preferred device or just set it to auto. Similarly, you can also connect your tablet along with your phone. So for example, if you're watching something on your tablet and you receive a phone call, the call can be answered on the phone, and once done, the audio from the tablet will resume. It's so cool. Then we also get game mode, which you can enable from the app. It drastically reduces latency. You can easily play games without any audio delay. It does a fab job. Similarly, while watching movies, no delay was noticed at all. Perfect lip sync, easily recommended to be worn on your long flights for watching movies. Alright, let's have a quick look at the Hey Melody companion app. So right here you can see OnePlus Nord Buds 4 Pro, and here you can see the battery percentage of the case and of each earbud. Then further down you can toggle to noise cancellation, you can turn it off, you can turn on transparency mode, you can see dual device connectivity, you can see both the devices and you can toggle them right from here as well. OnePlus 3D audio, which is basically spatial audio, you can toggle that on from here. Then there's Sound Master, which is basically equalizers, so there are 3 preset equalizers. There's bass wave mode, and you can also custom set the equalizer as well. Further coming down, there's game mode. You can toggle on game mode on and off from here. There's sound effect for shooting games, you can turn that off, and there's low latency as well. Further coming back, there is Spotify tab. This is for people who love listening to Spotify. This feature is going to be really handy. Then there's sound. Now this is basically background music if you want to listen to. So summer seaside, morning sunshines, once you play it. Dual device connectivity support. You can toggle it on and off from here. You can see your devices. Then you have Find My Earbuds. Then in more settings, you have an option to choose auto play pause when you remove or wear the earbuds. Windows Swift pair toggle on and off. Earbuds fit test, alert sound volume also can be adjusted from here. Then you have firmware update, quick guide, earbud care, and you have earbud control as well. So you can custom set each gesture of each earbud separately as per your preference. Overall, the app is really simple and easy to use. Coming to the battery. So huge upgrade in this department. The Buds 4 Pro case comes with a 530 mAh battery, while each earbud comes with 62 mAh battery. Without ANC, you can get about 10 to 12 hours of music playback on a single charge and 54 hours with the case, which I think is truly amazing. Yes, with ANC, those numbers would be slightly lesser, but I'll still say they are very impressive in the battery department. By the way, they also support quick charge, so 10 minutes of charge will give you about 13 minutes of music playback. That's really good. Alright, final thoughts. So, the Nord Buds 4 Pro, really long confusing name, they bring all the upgrades that you were looking for. Deeper bass, impressive clarity, dual device connectivity support, app support, and even longer battery life. We don't have the price at the time of making this video, but my best guess is that they would be priced somewhere between 2,999 and 3,499. But one thing I can truly say is they are so worth it. I'll share the price, availability details, and the purchase links below in the description. If you like to buy one, you should definitely check these ones out. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.